Okay, we're pretty far along. We almost have a fully functional gallery here. But one thing is that the individual image, it doesn't have the nav bar and the fonts look a bit different. It's because we're using a bootstrap here. And while we could simply copy the nav bar from the code, see, if we just copy and pasted the header and this nav bar here into details, yeah, it would work. We can fix the menu here, but if you had additional pages, like let's say that you had your firm's about page or a contact page, client reference page or something, you'd have to create the nav bar for every single page. So we're going to create a base brand, a template, and let's drop the nav bar in there. So I'm going to create a new folder and templates for our brand. This will hold the base template for all of our pages. Let's just call it cool. I'm just going to start off copying the entire thing. Okay. Look for the main tag. I'm going to delete everything that's inside the main tag. Okay, the rest of it is the nav bar. So on the top of the main brand template, cool. This is not needed, but in case we start using static content, I'll just put this in. You don't actually need this right now. It's for if you use static content, which is non-changing content, such as images. But the part that you do need is the block content. So within this main section here, we're going to insert the other pages in here. So this is the main brand template. And then within this area here, the block content, we're going to insert the rest of the pages.